Usually when I yawn, I do not yawn big one. I yawn and put my hand in front.
I'm sorry I yawned without covering my mouth.
Thank you. That is wonderful that you said that, because all the people, yawning is something which is in our society negative. You don't do it. If you yawn, you are rude. You put your hand in front, you do not really yawn. And we have forgotten or never learned how healthy yawning is. I will read to you a little bit. Yawning relaxes throat, upper neck, and the base of your brain. It helps you balance cerebrospinal fluid. Don't put your hand, be rude. And yawning increases the production of saliva. And if there is more saliva, that is good for your digestion. It increases also the fluid flow to your eyes. Another thing, the brain increases the serotonin. And the serotonin is something that helps you to balance your mood, to make you down when you are hyper, or to keep you up when you are moody. And it also can help you when you go down and sleep. I invite you now all to yawn, but I will show you how. Take a deep breath in, and at the top of your breath, open your mouth wide and bring the upper back of your throat up. Try it. It is for me also a learning to allow myself to yawn. I do it at home more than in public, but I have a coaching teacher, and the coaching teacher, she gets infected to yawn, but automatically she puts the hand in front, and it's a learning to not do it. If it's difficult for you, stop for a moment and then try it again. Is it the first time in your life that you heard how healthy yawning is? And we avoid it. It's forbidden. I think we are often not gentle to our body. Doing. Stress, more.